Welcome to another day in Shanghai, China, where we will try the very iconic crab roe dumplings and noodles and explore the very aesthetic Xintiandi area, which is a great spot to shop, dine, and chill here in Shanghai.
Real Travels.
Value for money.
Food trip.
Accommodation na sulit.
Real Travels.
Because adventures are the best way to learn.
So, hi guys! Ayan, so andito na tayo for our next stop, which is the brunch place na pupuntahan natin. So, this place is called Lai Lai Xiaolong Bao. Ayan. It's one of the Michelin star restaurants na dinadayo daw ng mga tao dito sa Shanghai, China. And if you can see, yung mga tao dito, it's a mix of both Western people and at the same time, it's a mix of both Chinese. So sabi nila, you'll know that a Chinese restaurant is yummy if yung mga locals mismo kumakain doon. Ayan yung name niya guys, it's called Lai Lai Xiaolong. And ayan o, kasama siya sa Dianping Must Eat List noong 2024 and sa Shanghai Must Eat List. So Dianping, it's actually one of the pinaka top na food recommendation app sa China. So must be so credible, must be so yummy dito sa Lai Lai Xiaolong. And if you can see, talagang ano siya, it's a Michelin star restaurant. Pinipilahan siya guys. Ayun yung pila, ang haba. Buti nakakuha agad tayo ng spot. Like when we went here, medyo mabilis lang kami nakapasok. And then ito siya guys, that's the Michelin star dito sa Lai Lai Xiaolong. So ito yung branch nila sa Jing'an area, but you can actually check yung other branches nila. Depende sa accommodation nyo dito sa Shanghai. Because I know, itong Lai Lai Xiaolong, it's a restaurant chain na madami namang branches. So for today, I'm really so excited guys to try out their crab roe noodles tsaka crab roe Xiaolong Bao. So crab roe, very ano siya, very meaty, savory type of crab meat. If alam niyo yung crab roe, para siyang color yellow na oozing, na savory meat na masarsa na filling. So that's what we're gonna try for today and I'm so excited to taste it and share it to you guys kung masarap ba talaga ang kanilang crab roe noodles and crab roe Xiaolong Bao sa Lai Lai Xiaolong. Grabe! Talagang ito na yung official natin na day 1 here in Shanghai. Grabe, na sa Shanghai, China na tayo guys. And China is not like what people usually would think. Talagang pagdating ko dito sa China, I was so amazed. Coming from Dubai, coming from New York, yun yung mga countries, ay yung mga cities din na napuntahan ko. Pero, 'di ba, syempre meron ka ng standard kahit papaano of what a nice city looks like. Tapos in fairness talaga guys, with China, nagulat talaga ako. Kasi yun nga, nagulat ako sa China kasi syempre coming from na nakapunta ka na ng New York, nakapunta ka na ng Dubai, you've seen all these really nice cities. Pero ano, pagpunta ko pa rin dito, pagdating namin talaga dito sa China, I was so amazed kasi talagang first world yung datingan here in Shanghai. It's really modern and really nice. The buildings, the architecture, iba-iba yung hugis ng buildings. Tapos ano siya mix of modern and historical. Kasi dito sa kalsada na to, tingnan nyo guys, may mga buildings, tas kakaiba yung hugis. Pagdating mo dito, may kabilang building, it's a temple. It's actually the Jing'an Temple during the day. Tapos napakaganda ng transportation. Meron silang parang Grab dito where you can book so easily. Tapos the people here are very kind and nice. Doon ako nagulat kasi parang syempre may mga countries na medyo strict yung mga vendors, yung mga waitresses, ganon. Pero dito, they're very patient and kind and warm and nice. Parang, wow, this is the side of China na hindi masyadong nakikita ng mga tao. And I think it's really worth a try for you guys to go to China, experience it for yourself. Ano ba talaga yung culture ng China. Because not all places naman in China is yung mga nababalita na parang nakakatakot. Shanghai is one of the cities talaga na very rich in culture and super modern. Sabi nga nila, ang Shanghai is parang New York. Kung ang US may New York, yung hustle and bustle, tapos super modern, as andito lahat ng mga tao na to work or to live, yung mga expats ganon. Dito naman sa Shanghai, yun yung New York naman ng China. People come here, sobrang daming expats dito, yung European, American culture, ang daming mga tao dito na yun nga, to come here to do business, to work, or to study sa mga universities, and as well as yung mga mainlander na Chinese na taga-ibang state or district, kunwari taga Beijing, or taga Guangzhou, taga Shenzhen, pumupunta talaga sila dito, dinadayo nila ang Shanghai, kasi nga ito yung parang New York nila. Sobrang convenient dito sa China. O tingnan natin if the food is ready. Let's taste test and let's try. Look guys, that's the crab roe noodles that we're gonna taste. So sobrang yummy, ang promising niya tingnan, and mainit. Sabi nga ng taga rito, ang sarap daw kainin to kapag mainit pa. So let's try their crab roe noodles and crab roe dumplings. So here na guys ang ating crab roe dumplings. Sorry, na-excite ako kinain ko agad. Ang sarap kasi talaga. And ito yung crab roe noodles. Talaga yung parang in-order dito sa Lai Lai Xiaolong. So let's try muna yung dumplings. Uulitin ko na lang yung reaction ko kasi paulit-ulit naman talaga to na masarap. And I like my Xiaolong bao spicy, so dadagdagan natin ng spice. And then they provide yung sausawan din ng Xiaolong bao, which is this one, para siyang Chinese vinegar na may ginger, Chinese vinegar na may soy sauce na may ginger. Tapos dito mo din siya i-dip. Pero I prefer to get it agad yung sauce. Tapos i-drizzle ko dito sa Xiaolong bao. Kita niyo ba yan guys? Nakikita niyo na ba? Kung gaano siya kasarap tingnan, ganoon siya kasarap kainin. Ayan guys. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna taste it. And let's see kung gaano siya kasarap ulit. Okay. This is the yummy, spicy crab roe Xiaolong bao. Punta na kayo ng China. Sobrang sarap talaga ng food dito. Ang sarap. Perfect. 100 out of 10. Sabayan natin ng noodles. They have some shrimp and broccoli dito sa crab roe noodles na to. Yung kanilang noodles. First time ko makakatikim ng noodles na ganito sa China. So let's try. Walang tapon guys. Ang sarap lahat. Parang perfect pair to. Kasi kapag inisip mo crab roe, tas crab roe, hindi ba redundant? Hindi siya redundant kasi sobrang sarap guys. Sobrang sarap. And this one, yung shrimp nila. Kaya, this is for the people na hindi na mahihirapan magbalat or maghimay. Kasi andito na yung crab roe, tsaka nakahimay na guys yung shrimp mo. Here and nakahimay na. Let's try the soup. Igupin na natin yung soup. Ito yung soup nila. I think this is complimentary kasi nag-order tayo. Amoy herbal. Let's try. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito, pero masarap. So, yun. Okay pala dito sa China, no? Minsan di mo maintindihan, pero masarap. Kaya kainin mo lang. Overall, recommended ko talaga for you guys. Sama niyo sa bucket list niyo when you go here to Shanghai, China. Madami namang branches dito eh. So you can check which is the nearest your accommodation. So Lai Lai Xiaolong bao, 100 out of 10. Will definitely go back dito. Super, super yummy. So yun guys, after natin kumain sa Lai Lai Xiaolong, andito na tayo sa ating next stop which is the Xintiandi area here in Shanghai, China. So guys, itong area na to, it's a very modern area mixed with yung medyo old school vibes na very European yung style, especially sa architecture nila, sa kanilang pavement, tsaka sa kanilang mga shops. So, yung mga shops dito, yung mga modern shops naman na makikita nyo sa mall, but dito, para kang na-transport back to Europe. So, it just reminds me of yung Senado Square na napuntahan natin sa Macau sa ating mga previous episodes. Pero, this one, in Xintiandi, Shanghai, China, parang ano siya, parang mas Italy, mas European yung vibes niya. Tapos tingnan nyo guys, may fountain din sa gitna. It's so nice. It's the fountain of ano daw, prosperity and longevity. So, yan guys, super nice guys. I think this is one of the most Instagrammable spots here in China kasi bawat sulok talagang pwede kang magpa-picture kasi very aesthetic yung mga cafes nila. Tsaka bawat lugar nila dito may theme. So, kunwari ito, puro mushroom mo, super nice. The green and safe, the barn. Ayan, ang ganda lang ng mga themes ng spaces nila here. Uso dito yung mga brick roads, yung mga alam mo yun, para kang nasa Disneyland, ganon. Para kang nasa Disneyland, pero for adults. You go here to dine in, to shop, to just take your photos, and just to chill. Yan guys, so nandito tayo sa Gentle Monsters in Xintiandi. Tingnan nyo guys, ang laki ng mga mukha oh. Kahit sunglasses store lang to, makakita ka na ng parang robot na AI na mga attractions. Ayan, super nice. Parang kanina nga itong robot na to, itong mukhang to, nag-blink eh. Kaya, ayan, I think magbi-blink na siya. I think ito na, magbi-blink na siya guys. Ay! Ayan. So, yun guys, super daming attractions mahanap dito sa Shanghai. Maglakad ka lang around Xintiandi area. Ang dami mo na mahahanap na mga attractions. Ayan, it's like a whole city here sa Xintiandi. At talagang I can recommend na you guys put this in your itinerary if mahilig kayo sa mga gantong vibes. Very European style, and I think I now get it bakit gusto din ng mga Europeans to stay here and actually live din here sa Shanghai kasi nga parang it's not that much of a difference dun sa mga home country nila. It looks like Europe. So parang ano, hindi naiiba din yung parang culture in terms of architecture, in terms of yung mga shops din here. Malakas din yung Western influence here in this district sa Shanghai. Kaya I think that's why they like it. And I like it too. Super nice. So guys, this is the metro rail system of Shanghai, China. Take note, hindi pa to yung buong country ng China. This is just one small state out of the hundreds of states ng China. Ito yung buong Shanghai Metro Rail map. It consists of a lot of lines. Sobrang daming lines, guys. And if you can see, sobrang convenient to navigate every single sulok and corner of Shanghai. Kasi let's say you're staying here sa city center, you can go to another island dito, up north, dito, sa may bandang west. You can go to any type of excursion na gusto mo na hindi ka na magbabas, magfe-ferry, magsi-station ka na lang all the way. So, it's very seamless.
And that's another episode here in Real Travels. Bitin again, but I hope you enjoyed this episode. Always remember that adventures are the best way to learn. This is Shaira de la Peña, your travel buddy and host, and see you pa rin in Shanghai, China next week.